Today we're going to be studying mathematics.
And emerges from the second mirror.
These words sound
Be your teacher for today. Okay, in continuation of angles in Polygon, we want to look at some of the interior angles of p-sided polygon. Okay. Or p-sided polygon. Okay. Now, in finding some of interior angles of p-sided polygon, what are we going to do? We have a formula for this, and this is the formula. Sum of the interior angle equals to n minus 2, close the bracket, multiply by 180 degree. So this is the formula we use to find some of the interior angles of p-sided polygon. I'm still going to show you some of the interior angles of a regular polygon, but let's see an example of this. Okay. You remember from the table given to you, we have a name of polygon, and we also have the number of sides each polygon have. So what are we going to do? Hexagon, from the word x, 6. Hexagon has 6 sides. So we apply the formula sum of the interior angle equals to n minus 2 bracket times 180 degree. I hope you are following me. So what is n here? Our n is 6. Why is it 6? Because we are finding the sum of the interior angles of hexagon. And if you look at hexagon, just like this, hexagon, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is hexagon. Okay. Now, sum will be equals to 6 minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Okay. This will give us 6 minus 2. It will give us what? 4 multiplied by 180 degree. Okay. Now let's multiply this. 180 multiplied by 4. 4 times 0 will give us what? Any number you multiply by 0 will give you 0. Okay. 4 times 8. It will give us what? 18? No, 32. Okay, 32. We write 2, remain 3. 4 times 1 will give us what? 4. Remember, we have 3 here. 3 plus 4 will give us what? Can you tell me? Okay, 7. Therefore, we have 720 degree. So this is some of the angles, some of the interior angles of what? Hexagon. Now, I want to give you another example. If a question is given to you like this, you have some of the interior angles of a particular polygon, but you don't know the number of sides, or you don't know the name of that polygon. What are we going to do? That's what I want to tell you now. Okay, let's look at this example together. We want to solve this question. If you compare this question with the one we solved previously, we see that there's a little bit different here. Find the sum of the interior angles of a polygon. Sorry, the sum of the interior angles of a polygon is 1440 degree. Find the number of its size. So what we are looking for now is n. How can we find the n? sum of the interior angle equals to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Okay, now n is what we are looking for. N is question, and sum is 1440 degree. So where you can see sum will come here, 1440 degree. N is unknown, minus 2, okay, times 180 degree. I believe you are following me, right? Now we need to open this bracket. Opening this bracket, we use 180 to multiply everything we have inside this bracket. So let's do it together. 1440 degree equals to 180 degree multiplied by n minus 2 multiplied by 180 degree. Hope you got it right. Okay, 1440 degree, 180 multiplied by n, it will give us 180 degree n minus 2 times 180. What are we going to do? We can solve it. 180 to 2 times 0 will give us what? 0. 2 times 8. Can somebody tell me? Okay, 16. 6 carry 1. 2 times 1 will give us 2. Plus 1 will give us 3. So 180 multiplied by 2 will give us 360. Okay, 360 degree. Now I want you to check this very well. 1440 degree and 360 degree, they are from the same family, and this 180 degree n is from different families. So we cannot just subtract this. We have to collect like term. We have 1440 degree. This is minus 360. When it crosses to this side, it turns to plus 360 degree equals to 180 degree n. Okay, now let's add this together. 1440 and 360. 0 plus 0 is 0. 4 plus 6, 10. 0 carry 1. 4 plus 3, 7. Plus the 1 we carry, that is 8. Then you bring down the 1. Okay, this will give us 1800 degree equals to 180 degree n. Now remember, from our module 1, if you are really following me, I told you that if you have something like this, you have to look for a number that you will use to eliminate this 180. So what is that number? Can somebody remind me there? Okay, 180. So you divide both sides by 180. Divide both sides by 180. Is 180 we cancel 180 degree. Okay. Okay. So n will give us 1800 degree divided by 180 degree. Is 0 we cancel is 0. Remain 180 all over 18. 18 in 18, 1. 18 in 18, 1. So n will give us what? 10. So the number of this polygon is what? Is 10. So I believe you are following me. Now let me give you some difficult examples that might come across in your class, your school, and that is why we are here for you to solve some difficult topics or difficult example with you. Okay, let me give you this example. We have regular polygon if all sides and angles are equal. We call the polygon regular polygon. Okay, now to find this we have a formula for it. And what is the formula? Sum of the interior angles of regular polygon n minus 2, multiplied by 180, you divide it by n. Remember, this formula can only be used when you have all sides and angles of a polygon that are the same. So that is when you use this formula. Now let me give you an example of that. Example: how many sides has a regular polygon if its interior angles are 144 degrees each? Remember, each is referring to what? Regular polygon. And in this type of polygon, we are going to apply this formula, right? Okay, let's solve together. Sum equals to n minus 2 multiplied by 180 divided by n. N is the number of sides. Sum is 144 degree. N is not known. N minus 2 bracket times 180 all over n. Divide this by 1. Then you can cross multiply. When you cross multiply, we have 144 degree times n equals to 180 times n. You have 118n minus 2 times 180, you have 360 degree. Okay, now this one will give us 144n equals to 180n degree minus 360 degree. Okay, you collect the like time. You can see we have n here, we have n here. So this and this can go together. This 180 we move to this side. It will turn to minus 144 degree n equals to 180 degree n minus 360 degree. And we collect the like time now. We are going to have 144 degree n minus 180 degree n equals to minus 360 degree. Okay, if you minus this 180, 144, this one, you borrow 1 here, 10 minus 6, 10 minus 4 will give you 6. This is 7 minus 4 will give you 3, and 1 minus 1 will give you what? 0. So you have minus 36 degree n here equals to minus 360 degree. So you divide both sides by minus 36. Divide this by minus 36 degree divided by minus 36 degree. This will cancel this and we give you minus, we cancel minus. You have 360 all over 36. 36 1, 36 1. So n will give you 10. I believe you understand this. If you find it difficult, you can send feedback to us. You can see our WhatsApp number rolling on the screen, and you can also go back to this video again and you will surely get it. Now, before we leave this class, I want to give you the final example in case you have difficulties with this type of questions. Let's solve this question together. Who can tell me the name of this polygon? Can somebody guess that? Okay, let's cross check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is what? Oh, right. Okay, this is pentagon, right? Because we have 5 sides. Okay, now let's solve this. The formula we are going to use is this: sum of the interior angle equals to n minus 2 180 degree. Okay, now I want you to look at this shape. There is something here. It's called angle 90 degree. There is something here is angle 90 degree, but in the question they will not put 90 degree there, but the shape you have here is telling you that this is angle 90 degree. So don't get confused with that. That's why I say I just want to tell you the secret. Okay, now we are going to add these angles together. It will be equals to n minus 2 multiplied by 180. So let's quickly do that. Let's start from here. Y plus 90 plus 90 plus 80 equals to n minus 2 times 180 degree. Okay, y plus y will give us 2y. 90 plus 90 will give us 180 plus 80 equals to 180 times n will give us 180n degree. 180 times minus 2 will give us minus 360 degree. Okay, we collect the like term now. 2y I made mistakes. Okay, let's go over this again. We have y plus 90 plus 90 plus 80 equals to bracket n minus 2 times 180. So this will give us 2y. 90 plus 90 will give us 180 plus 80 equals to n is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 minus 2 times 180 degree. 2y plus 180 plus 80. 180, 80 is 0, 60, 6 carry 1 will give us 260 equals to 5 minus 2 will give us 3. 3 times 180 degree. Okay, this will give us 2y plus 260 equals to 180 multiplied by 3. Okay, 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 8 will give us 24. Am I right? 24. 4 carry 2. 3 times 1 will give us 3. Plus 3 will give us what? Plus 2 will give us 5. So we have 540. Okay, 2y will be 540 minus 260. 2y will give us minus 260. 0 minus 0 is 0. 4 minus 6, it cannot go. Borrow 1 here. Get 1 here. This will be 14. This will be 4. 14 minus 6. What are we going to get? We are going to get 8. Am I right? Okay. 4 minus 2 will give us what? 2. So we have 280. We divide both sides by 2. Divide both sides by 2. Y will give us 2 here, 1. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 4. It will give us 140 degree. Okay, so I believe that this class is so interesting and you are getting what I'm doing and we are doing it together. Okay, now before we round up this class, I want to give you something to do at home. Okay, let's see it. Okay, you are going to do this for me, homework. Number 1, find the sum of the interior angles of p-sided polygon whose size is 10. How many sides has a regular polygon if its interior angles are 122 degree each? Then the last one, you find the value of x in this figure below. I hope you really understand what we have done so far in this class and you are following me. I'll be very happy to see your response. You can see a WhatsApp number running on the screen. Get back to us through your message and we will surely answer all your questions. Thank you very much. See you next class. Bye.